Hootsuite is a powerful tool for managing your LinkedIn presence, helping you streamline content scheduling, engagement, and analytics. Here's how to effectively use Hootsuite for LinkedIn. Connecting your LinkedIn account. Log into your Hootsuite account at hootsuite.com. Navigate to accounts from the left-hand menu and click Add Social Network. Choose LinkedIn and follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to manage your LinkedIn account. Scheduling and publishing posts. After connecting LinkedIn, go to Compose Message in Hootsuite's dashboard. Create your post with text, images, links, or videos, and select LinkedIn from the drop-down menu to publish it directly to your profile, page, or group. You can schedule posts to publish at specific times, helping you maintain a consistent presence on LinkedIn. Engage with your audience. Monitor and engage with your LinkedIn interactions directly from Hootsuite. You can respond to comments, messages, and mentions all in one place. Analytics and reporting. Use Hootsuite's analytics tools to track the performance of your LinkedIn posts, including engagement rates, reach, clicks, and follower growth. Generate detailed reports to analyze the impact of your LinkedIn activities over time. Team collaboration. If managing a team, assign tasks and collaborate with team members within Hootsuite. Approve and publish posts as a group, ensuring a consistent voice and strategy. Listening and monitoring. Monitor LinkedIn conversations, including mentions and hashtags, using Hootsuite streams. This helps you stay engaged with industry trends and your network.